Okay, Tiger Global.
Yeah, and we heard about this.
By the way, love it.
Exactly. I always reserve a lot.
And we heard a little bit about this, and Kaylee talked a little bit about BizFlash. I mean, the reason that this is interesting is you've got Barclays, which has been sort of, to say the least, a little bit beleaguered. And if you look at the stock chart and you go back over 52 weeks, November it really hit a bottom. Apparently, our reporting shows that is when Tiger actually started to get in.
There it is, over 52.
You can see that little trough there in November, and apparently Tiger Global, which is arguably one of the best known hedge funds out there. I mean, this is Julie Robertson. It's run by Chase Coleman, sort of the Uber Tiger Cub in a lot of ways. And so this is a marriage of two pretty interesting brands here, right, Lisa?
It's also fascinating because you have a hedge fund that is gaining a major stake, if I'm not mistaken, top 10 investor in Barclays.
Seventh biggest.
So all of a sudden you have a hedge fund that has possibly not a controlling stake, but a definitely influential stake in a major UK bank. I mean, this is an interesting sort of twist of fortunes.
It'll be interesting to see what the dynamic is, and obviously we've heard a lot from the big shareholders of big banks over the past couple of years. Candidly, especially the European banks, whether it's Barclays, whether it is Deutsche Bank's in high volume, or whether it's Credit Suisse, which I think is.
But they must think that a turnaround's on its way. I mean, they're investing in this for value. They think that actually more good news is coming.
Well, and if you look just on a sort of micro, short-term level, if you look at November versus where they are today, I mean, they did see a little bit of a bump. And look, these things are interlinked in the sense that we were just talking about mergers and investment banking. Jess Staley is quite the deal maker, as you know. Yeah. So we'll see if this is a vote of confidence, or whether this is a situation where you've got a big bad hedge fund knocking on your door and makes you sit up a little straighter.